Kraken Pro uses a maker-taker fee model, with trading fees decreasing as your monthly trading volume increases. If you are still using Kraken's standard app, you are wasting money on high fees. Kraken Pro is completely free and instantly slashes your transaction costs. Along with much cheaper trading, it gives you access to professional tools like advanced charts, deep liquidity, and margin trading. If you want to protect your profits, stop using the basic app and switch to Kraken Pro today. Kraken Pro offers highly competitive crypto trading fees starting at just 0.25% maker and 0.40% taker, which decrease even further as your trading volume increases. Combining advanced tools, robust security, and rapid execution, it delivers a professional, low-cost trading experience for all skill levels. Reddit users say Kraken Pro has excellent support, with even the chatbot responding quickly and effectively. However, the browser version can lag, while the mobile app works smoothly. Overall, it's best for users who value strong customer support, though browser performance may need improvement. Overall, Kraken Pro offers competitive fees for active traders, but costs can still add up for frequent or smaller trades. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.